Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD. Today's Thursday, August 11, 2022. It's 6:48 and 43 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, osteoporosis. So let's hop to it here. The researchers discover new model can predict best drug combinations for osteoporosis. Date August 9, 2022. Source, Eli. The scientists have developed a new mathematical model that can help clinicians decide on the best combination of osteoporosis medications for patients and the order in which they should be taken. The sudden loss of the hormone estrogen during menopause can interfere with the body's natural processes for repairing natural wear and tear on bones, leading to more weakened bones and possible fractures. There are several drugs available to treat this type of postmenopausal bone loss. While these treatments can be combined, there is little evidence to suggest what the most effective combinations might be. The researchers wanted to know if there are treatment combinations that would work considerably better than those tested and currently used in clinical practice, and if so, then this can be beneficial for treating a large number of osteoporosis patients by increasing their bone strength and reducing their risk of bone fracture risk more than standard therapies currently allow. And to explore this further, researchers built a mathematical model of bone renewal that predicts the effects of various osteoporosis medications in postmenopausal women. And they based the model on the latest evidence of how old bone breaks down and new bone is created, as well as how different classes of osteoporosis medications work. They then verified the accuracy of the model by testing its predictions on data from clinical trials. And next, the team tested the effects of reshuffling the order of different osteoporosis medications. Their model showed that some combinations in a particular order would perform significantly better than others. They also found that combinations that cause the most rapid increases in bone density do not always strengthen bone in the long term and can instead cause a rebound of accelerated bone loss after the treatment stops. And these results show us why the order in which osteoporosis medications are taken is important for short and long-term treatment success in patients. While the model was specific to postmenopausal women, the researchers say it can be adapted to help design treatment combinations for patients with bone loss caused by other medications or medical conditions. For example, it could be beneficial for those who take corticosteroid medications or who have hyperparathyroidism and gastrointestinal diseases, as the model could potentially predict the effects of a broad range of complex drug combination therapies beyond those used for its development. It could be used for the design of future clinical trials. The researchers had general limitations on the model need to be considered when using it as a predictive tool, especially when applying the data to extreme dosing regimes, dosing frequencies, or age regions beyond those validated in the study. However, researchers showed that not only can the model be used as a starting point for forecasting osteoporosis therapy success, but it also highlights the role of mathematical descriptions in helping us understand the biological principles of how drugs work. Good day, this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.